There is a process enhancement coming to the Quavo Support Portal on February 1st, 2022. We are improving upon the previous support issue form, replacing it with a new issues form that is built to collect the data needed to triage and resolve issues quickly. To access the new form, the client will log into the support portal like normal. Then they will be presented with a link for the support issue. Once the link is selected, the new support issues intake form will appear. The form begins in familiar fashion, requesting a summary of the problem. There is an area available for the client to attach supporting documentation and screenshots for the issue in question. Next, the new form asks which application the client is having an issue with drop-down options including QFD, ARIA, and Other. When selecting either ARIA or Other, there is only one additional question presented to the user entering the ticket, to explain the issue that they are having in the freeform box provided. The agent is given the following prompt. In order to properly triage your issue, please be as descriptive as possible. Any additional information provided will assist us in researching and identifying a root cause. Please provide any details that were not already captured above in the space below. However, if the agent selects QFD as the application with which they are having problems, there are additional questions that are presented to understand the impact of the error being reported. These questions start with asking about the client's ability to access the application. Next comes a series of questions asking about the potential risk, cardholder, or financial impacts this issue is causing. The client is asked if the issue being reported is impacting submitting or processing a claim. Further questions are asked to assess the overall impact of the issue by volume of claims, whether it be a single claim, a group of claims, or all claims. The form also asks in what stage the error is being seen in. The stages can be seen from the user interface within QFD if needed. Lastly, the client is asked to provide claim numbers as examples for the cases that are experiencing this issue. The last question on the form, regardless of how the questions above are answered, is a freeform box provided for any additional details or explanations around the issue the client is seeing. Once the questions are all completed, the support ticket can be created by clicking on the Create button on the bottom of the screen. Once submitted, a confirmation email will be sent and the ticket is reviewable through the Requests button if edits are needed. As we roll out this new support issue form, if there are any questions or concerns, click on the provided Confluence link for a step-by-step user guide to this new form. Or please let your client experience representative know if you have any questions or concerns about this change. As always, we appreciate your partnership and look forward to working with you. Thank you for joining us today.